So we're staying at the Hard Rock Universal Orlando, and I personally didn't see any videos on how to get to the coin-operated laundry. So we're gonna go on an adventure. Now the lady at the front desk, wonderful girl, her name is Caroline, she said to go down to the desk to get your coins because the machine in the laundry room eats money instead. So number one tip. But yeah, we're on the 5th floor. There's laundry on the 2nd floor and on the 4th floor. So we're gonna go on an adventure and find the laundry for the 4th floor. Yeah. Okay. 4th floor. Let's see. So, room numbers. Room numbers. I don't see anything. I see stairs. That's a door. That's locked. Go back, go back. There's nothing on that side though. Like there's no doors on this wall. That's also locked. Other side. Try this one. Not it. Okay. So on the 4th floor, it's to the right of Madonna. This one. And it's on the right side. Okay. There's some rules. So, how much is soap? How much is soap? $1. Soap is $1. $3 for the dryer. Okay. Or $3 for the washer. Okay, but the girl told me that, not the girl, her name is Caroline. Caroline told me, super sweet at the front desk, that this machine eats money and you're better off getting coins downstairs. So that's good to know. But yeah, cool, we found it.